Hi guys, I am Nidhi Tandon and we are a 18-year-old brand of Delhi Exhibition World, and now we are in the YouTube fraternity with our 5 awards on Facebook and a lot of data on Instagram and Facebook. We are now here with you guys on the YouTube fraternity with our own channel, which is really showing us wonders. So now let me go back to how to order with us. So first of all, you can order if you're taking it for wholesale reasons or for your store or your multi-designer store, or you are a new startup. We are with you in your journey. और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको हमारे से सेट्स उठाने हैं, आप एक एमलगमेशन ले सकते हैं सिंगल पीसेस की, सो दैट यू कैन हैव द टेस्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आप एक एक पीस ले सकते हैं किसी भी साइज में आप लेना चाहें. एंड there is no COD with us. We have DHL and delivery couriers. Here in India we have delivery couriers and DTDC, and abroad we have DHL. So I'm not a new face. I am not a new face. I'm a very old face. Just be with us and support us as you have been supporting us. Is what I'm showing you. I have super cool cotton tops, and this is the buttons at the back. All of them are different pricing, but everything is under 1500. So this is a beautiful one, and this you can wear as a dress also if you want, or with shorts on a beach holiday. And the whole edit right now is the travel edit Mystic Studio. So this is good as a free size. I am wearing one, this is one, and we have all sizing. Another one to go is again a very elegant statement print, medium, large and small के लिए. Super soft, and just look at my hand movement, and this is a statement print. Another one is a crepe one. So this crepe shirt we have in different sizing from a medium to a 3XL. Again, it's a statement piece. You can roll up your sleeves, wear it as you want, and it's a nice number. Another one is this pink shirt. This is a pure cotton. Every time the neck piece would change, and statement neck pieces is our speciality, and we add to every dress to pep it up. So this is a very rich, nice, classic, beautiful number, and here you go. Plus sizes, you're welcome. Another one is a shirt dress. We all know what is a shirt dress. It's only for the small mediums. You either wear your tights or just carry it off like that. A very rich number, a fluorescent buddy of ours. Again, buttons at the back like the shirt I'm wearing, and we've pepped it up with a white neck piece, and there is foldable sleeves. You can fold it as per your heart's content. Good for the plus sizes as well. Another one is a super cooler crepe edit. Any neck piece would not have done justice to it. It looks really nice. It's good for a XL to a 4XL. Another piece is a medium, large and an XL. Super soft cotton edit. Again, our travel edit is there for you. Look at this. Very pretty number. Again, a statement piece. This one is a free size. It looks really ravishing. So everything is under 1500, starting at 888. So very nice ombre, very nice wool work, and a body flower. This is a size constraint and a challenge. This is a good earth sort of a category. We've given a wooden neck piece to it, The size of this is medium to a large only, and it's a good nice cut sleeves. Look at the way it's going, and the wooden neck piece is doing real justice to it. Another piece is again a very rich number. It's a statement shirt. If you take it from Zara or any other place, it will be very expensive, but with us and Mystic Studio, it's quite good pricing. It's good from a XL to a good 3XL and a 4XL. Another beautiful piece with puff sleeves, so very little puff, chiffle, and a very rich article with this neck piece and a button at the back is medium to a double XL. A beautiful buddy of ours, made in the second best export house of India, is this shirt. And look at the way the weaving has been done, and it's a good nice chiffle and a cool summer shirt. Size is XL to a double XL. Large you can apply. Another piece is a off-white for the season, so you can pair it up with jeans, with your skirts, and a floral skirt. It's just a nice buddy. Medium to a XL only. Another one, medium to a large only. It's a crepe one. This neck piece is doing utmost justice to it. Utmost justice. Another one is this. A good cotton black and white. The weave is really to die for. It's good for a XL to a good 4XL. It's a body shaper. Comes with this neck piece. Another piece is this. It's a rape cut. Neck piece would change with every piece. We have a few articles. It's a pure cotton batik and a beautiful body. Another one is this. So it's good for a small, medium, large only, and you can see the cross stitch embroidery, typically Zara kind of a piece from the sleeves and here. It's just a perfect piece. A nice green, and green is for growth and victory, is a medium large crepe piece. Another one is this. It's good for the XL to a 4XL sort of a category. Pure cotton. Look at the neck piece matched on it. This edit is a dress edit, and this dress edit is for our holiday edit Mystic Studio. Do not miss on it. It's a beautiful nice number, and this bohemian dress is a very rich article. So we have all sizes medium to double XL in it. Pure cotton with a line. Another one is a statement dress. Look at this. And this dress is good from a medium, small and a large strictly. The print is to die for, and it's a crepe. There's a belt to tighten it up accordingly, according to your mood. Another one is again a satin dress, small, medium ke liye. So if you look at these two dresses, they are perfect holiday wears. Small, medium only. If you're collecting for any multi-designer stores or anything, or your boutiques, these are the perfect articles. And ये आपका आ गया neck piece. Another extra small, small, medium and a large, beautiful club wear dress. Another one is this. It's a XL, large and a double XL and a medium. Again a printed nice number. Another pure cotton dress. So you can tighten or loosen it. This dress I will explain you how. ये आपका neck piece आ गया. बहुत प्रिटी सा प्योर कॉटन का एडिट है, और यहाँ पर एक बटन है. इस बटन से आप इसको टाइट और लूज कर सकते हो. ये हमने यहाँ पे स्टाइल दे दिया, बट इससे ये और ब्रॉडन हो जाएगा बैक से. सो हम इसको बोलेंगे मीडियम टू डबल एक्सेल. वेरी रिच आर्टिकल. स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज को ही आएंगे. White and a red. Perfect for your beach wear. Just perfect for your holidays. You can even wear it with shoes. A little Indian touch to this piece. We have a few sizing. And the sizing, I at the moment have a 50 size in my hand. सो हम 50 साइज को भी कंसिडर करते हुए आपके लिए बहुत प्यारे से पीसेस लाए हैं. डू नॉट मिस ऑन दिस ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस. एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो इज बिलो 1500, starting at 888. Another one is a beautiful lilac. So ये lilac ड्रेस जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, बहुत सुंदर सी lilac ड्रेस है. ये आपका नेक पीस आ गया. साइज इसका है XL to 3XL. बहुत ही प्यारा सा पीस है. अगर आप मीडियम भी हैं तो बेल्ट है और हम आपको और टाइटन करके पीस दे सकते हैं. नेक पीस इज पेक्यूलियर एंड ब्यूटीफुल. Another piece is this. Very nice article. It's a very rich series. Size of this article is XL to 4XL. Beautiful dress and such a beautiful neck piece. Do not miss it. Pure cotton. Cheese cotton. Very good print. बहुत सुंदर सा प्रिंट दिखा रही हूँ आपको. XL to 4XL रहेगा ये. बीट का, वुडन बीट का नेक पीस ही मार्केट में आपको जो मैं रेट ड्रेस का दूंगी उतने का भी नहीं मिलेगा. बट दिस इज फॉर योर गुड ट्रैवल एडिट. Another article, I have a few sizes in this lilac. हल्का फुल्का काम. अब आप किसी भी मेरे इन पीसेस के नीचे ट्राउजर्स, टाइट्स कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. ये मत सोचिए ये लिमिटेड है ड्रेसेस के लिए. वी ऑल हैव आवर डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, आवर ओन पीपल. सो दिस इज अ हाई लो and a beautiful nice piece. Medium to XXL is available. Another dress is this. Very rich article. Very beautiful piece and a rich article. Do not miss it. XL to 4XL. Another nice piece. Look at this. बहुत सुंदर सा पीस दिखा रही हूँ. जिस तरह से इसकी यहाँ से फ्लैप्स आ रहे हैं, इट लुक्स रियली मार्वलस एंड ऑल द नेक पीसेस आर सो ब्यूटिफुली मैच. लुक एट दिस. लुक एट दिस. सुपर कूल कॉटन पीसेस. मल कॉटन जिसको बोलते हैं ना, और आप क्रेव करते हो कि हमें ये चाहिए, ये वो वाले पीसेस हैं. इफ यू आर कलेक्टिंग फॉर योर मल्टी डिजाइनर स्टोर्स और स्टूडियोज, दिस इज द आर्टिकल. डू नॉट मिस इट एट ऑल. These are really nice pieces. Another one. Medium, large और XL को रहेगा और wooden neck piece इसको signify कर रहा है. बहुत प्यारा सा piece है. Continuing with the holiday date Mystic Studio, and the spirit is just alive. Is this beautiful reel? So you can see all this handwork and it's a beautiful bohemian dress for all ages. Look at this. And the next to go are a few colors. Look at these beautiful colors. It's a white, lemon and blue. All these are such cute numbers from a medium to a XL only. Another one. We have a few sizing and all sizing rather up till XXL in this one. All sizing in till XXL in this one too, with all the embroidery in the world. Look at this. The next to go is a beautiful piece. All sizing available in all. In fact, this one has plus sizing also. Please ask us for the sizing. They are beautiful, nice long frocks. You want to wear with tights, you wear with tights. You want to wear otherwise, you wear it as a dress. They are all and all thread work. पूरा का पूरा thread का काम आपको नजर आ रहा होगा. और ये सब रियल मिरर्स हैं. ये देखिए आप, रियल मिरर्स. इट इज नॉट अ प्लास्टिक मिरर. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द पीस. लुक एट दिस. द नेक्स्ट टू गो इज दिस. ऑल साइजिंग अवेलेबल अगेन इन दिस शिफले ड्रेस. द वाइट इज ऑन. Another piece. Small, medium, large. Very nice article. It's like a patola print. Very nice and a beautiful one. A very rich article. The size is UK 20. कुर्ता है, आप इसको ड्रेस बनाना चाहें आप ड्रेस बनवाइए. बहुत सुंदर सा आर्टिकल है. साइज 20 वैसे भी नहीं मिलता. बहुत प्यारा सा पटोला प्रिंट. Another one is this. This dress is again for the plus sizes. Why should plus size suffer? And another one, these are really nice pieces with false mirrors, and we do it quite often because they are really nice, super soft pieces from Chennai to Jammu Kashmir. So we keep India as a whole in mind, and we always do these beautiful pieces जो medium to 4XL तक available मिलेंगे, 5XL वालों के लिए खुलेगा, and they are beautiful patches dresses. Again, जितने भी हमारी dresses हैं, मैं फिर से mention कर रही हूँ, you can all and all wear it with tights. So if you have a culture where you can't wear it otherwise, please wear it with tights. ये आपका medium to XL bracket है. Another one, medium to XXL available. It's a slub cotton. Look at the way it's going. Look at the wooden buttons. They make it really rustic. All sizes available in this beauty. Pure cotton dress. Look at this. Medium to XXL. Very, very pretty, super soft mega sleeve piece with this metal neck piece. Sizing is good from a XL to a 3XL. Largest you can apply. Some more bohemiums. So पहला ये वाला जो bohemium मैं दिखा रही हूँ is this with this neck piece, and the sizing of this piece is good from a medium to a XXL, medium to a XL. Another bohemian. And now a denim dress. Do not miss it. Size will go from a medium to a good size 44 तक जाएगा. बहुत सुंदर सा पीस है. Another bohemian. Look at this. Again medium to 44. Another piece small से लेकर 47, 48 size तक आएगा. It is our famous Pintex dress which we make. So again I'm repeating, you have your options open to wear these with tights or palazzos. Medium to XLs, again statement pieces. All the pieces are well budgeted and very nicely priced. A dress come kurta, small medium only strictly, please note it. And a kaftan looking dress with drawstrings on the side is a beautiful black, small, medium, large or XL को आएगा. ये actually में triple XL तक आएगा if you pull out the drawstrings. Another piece is a dress come kurta. Look at this and look at the sleeves. It's just a pretty piece. And last but not the least, in this video we have a small, medium, large dress. It's great and perfect for your travel. This edit is only and only kaftans. So these are all kinds of kaftans. Like this is a short kaftan dress. You can also wear it with tights or palazzos, and it comes with a beautiful statement neck piece. It's a good, nice number. Then we have a Lurex cotton kaftan, which is a long one, good for your beach wear or with tights or palazzos or pants or as a dress. Another one is this. So this is with drawstrings, a beautiful kaftan with beautiful string, and you can see the lace out here. Another piece is this. So this one is a very nice guff cloth. It's a pure cotton patola sort of a piece with laces and a neck piece. Another one is this cotton buddy, and it comes with a neck piece. Look at this. A very rich looking number, a good nice black and white, and a good number. So these two kaftans which I'm showing you, black and white, and this are very decent for all ages. सारी एजेस के लिए बहुत सुंदर से काफ्तान्स है, और you can wear it as long dresses. Another one is a cotton number. For whoever likes cotton pieces, we've given very light beads for the summer. You can carry it as a dress or otherwise. A funky piece and a perfect travel wear. Even if you're going to a beach resort, it's a nice piece with a wooden neck piece. Another one is this. So this is a good nice kaftan dress. It's a statement print totally with these nice beads. Another piece. You have an option for this piece to have pants or not have pants. So आपकी मर्जी, अगर आपको पैंट्स चाहिए we will provide you with pants. अगर नहीं चाहिए you can buy it like this. So this piece and this piece are brothers and sisters. So आप पैंट्स के साथ भी डाल सकते हैं और आप ऐसे भी डाल सकते हैं. They are just perfect nice silk pieces. Another one is this. Very pretty number. Again you have options of pants or not pants. And now two beautiful cotton print kaftans. Look at this. So this one and this one. Another number is a beautiful piece. So these are also kaftan short dresses or tops. This one is of course a top. It's like a drape for all ages, and this you can wear as a dress also, a short dress with beads. So these are all wooden beads. And now some very nice long kaftans. So these long kaftans are the batik category. They are really trending and pretty. So majorly they have a beaded neck piece. This one has a jute neck piece, and this one has a wooden neck piece. They are really pretty numbers. They're all very nice colors and perfect batiks. Holiday edit quad set sale, and this one is a skirt. So they are single unique pieces, and this one is small, medium, large only, and this comes with a beautiful skirt. Another one is a denim quad with black pants. So it's a very very soft denim, and this is the look. The size is good from a medium to a XL. And now wrinkle quads. So these are wrinkle quads, small, medium, large से लेकर XL तक available. Another one is a very nice chiffle print 1 and 2. Chiffle print है small, medium and a small, medium, large. Very very nice prints, और इसके नीचे जो pants है वो भी similar. Another one, soft piece and a soft crepe with a jute neck piece. So इसमें आ रहा है जूट नेक पीस, बहुत प्यारा सा पीस. And now very nice numbers. Look at these beautiful quads in a pure linen category with the neck pieces. Medium से लेकर double XL तक अवेलेबल. Even these are medium to double XL. यहाँ पे belts हैं, इसको tighten और loosen कर सकते हैं आप लोग. और ये दो बहुत pretty से colors हैं. Look at this. Wooden neck pieces के साथ very well nicely done. Another piece small, medium, large है, और इस तरह से इसके pockets में work है. It's just a pretty edit. These quads are the most faithful quads because they are available till size 52. Medium से लेकर 52 तक ये available है quads. बहुत ही pretty. And other pieces are good quads. Either you get black pants with it or a beige. It's totally your wish. You can tell us. They're such elegant quads with buttons at the back and a gooder sort of a category. Look at these beautiful quads. And now some dresses. So these dresses, if you see, are with capes. Piece 1. This is piece 2. Look at this one. Piece 3 is this with the embroidery. Look at these beautiful pieces with embroidery. Another one is again a very nice piece with a cape. And now look at this beautiful piece. It's a trending piece. बहुत सुंदर सा piece दिखा रही हूँ. इस तरह से balloon type आ रहा है, और इसमें puff sleeves है, और किसी भी size के लिए perfect है. Our show is incomplete without the high-low pieces. So this is a high-low piece which we can do in any color, any size. And look at the beautiful embroidery out here. Another one is again a high-low. All sizes are available. And it's got a statement neck piece. It's again a high-low. Another 3 pieces. We have a few sizes and a few colors. So these are dresses come kurtas. And they come with false mirrors. They all come with false mirrors and pin ticks. So you can ask us the sizing. And now a free size dress cum tunic in the blue color. Just a nice number. Another piece is with a statement neck piece. It's a beautiful cheese cotton black dress, and here you go with this beautiful neck piece. And now all sizing in this beautiful blue and a wooden neck piece. कोई भी size आप ले सकते हैं हमारे से. And it's a very pretty. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is perfect for your travel edit, casuals, summer casuals, and a May June edit for you. So we're going to be getting a lot in the new video also, जहाँ हम सूट्स वगैरह भी दिखाएंगे. अभी हमारा फोकस था वेस्टर्न्स, काफ्तान्स, and something that you really enjoy, easy breezy. Thank you guys.